In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Square Appointments. We'll walk through everything from the initial setup to creating bookings on the web or mobile, managing staff and services, and letting clients schedule themselves online. By the end, you'll be ready to take appointments with confidence and keep your calendar running smoothly. First, set up the foundation. Start by creating your services. Define exactly what you offer, like a haircut, a consultation, or a therapy session, and set a clear price and duration for each one. If you offer variations or extras, add them as add-ons so clients can select the right option up front. Clear naming and accurate durations help prevent confusion and keep your calendar realistic. If you have a team, add your staff so you can assign appointments to specific people. This makes it easy to reflect who does what and where. As you add staff, think about which services each person provides and, if you operate across multiple locations, which location they belong to. This ensures the right person appears as available when you start booking. Next, enable booking mode based on how you plan to take appointments. If you're using Square Point of Sale in person, turn on bookings so you can schedule right from the POS. If you want to accept online bookings, enable that as well. You can also turn on an online booking site or add a booking widget to your existing website so clients can book themselves without calling. Once this is set, your account is ready to schedule or accept online bookings. When you're ready to schedule on the web, go to Appointments and open the calendar. Click an open time slot or choose Create, then select Appointment. Add the customer's details, choose the service or services, assign the staff member and the location if you have more than one, and include any helpful notes. You can also attach a card on file or add extra items when needed. Pick the date and time. The system checks availability to prevent double booking. If a service includes blocked extra time, you can adjust or remove it when appropriate. Save the appointment, then choose whether to notify the client by email or SMS. On mobile, open Square POS with bookings enabled, or the Square Appointments app, then head to the calendar. Tap the plus icon or a free slot, select Create Appointment, add or select the customer, pick the service, assign staff, set the date and time, and save. Send the confirmation right away. This makes it easy to handle walk-ins, phone bookings, and in-person requests from a single, synced interface. That's all you need to start using Square Appointments efficiently and confidently.